Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to delete games from the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Start by opening up GeForce Experience. Next, go to the settings and click on Games and Apps. Now delete all of these folder locations under Scan Location. After that, close GeForce Experience and open up your Task Manager. Be sure everything related to NVIDIA is closed by selecting them and pressing End Task. When done so, open up your File Explorer and type in %appdata% in the search bar at the top. Then go back to App Data at the top and choose Local. Next, open up the NVIDIA folder and click on NV Backend inside it. Now delete all of the files who start with Journal BS. Finally, start up GeForce Experience again, and your games will be deleted. You can now start adding them back one by one, but that's something for another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.